Amazing BHP presents you the top 5 steps to keep your mind sharp. Memory changes can be frustrating, but the good news is that, thanks to decades of research, you can learn how to get your mind active. There are various strategies we can use to protect and improve memory. Here are several tips that might help you to make yours corroded brain sharp. 1. Keep learning. A higher level of education is associated with better mental functioning in old age. Experts think that advanced education may help keep memory strong by getting a person into the habit of being mentally active. Challenging your brain with mental exercise is believed to activate processes that help maintain individual brain cells and stimulate communication among them. So keep learning as much as possible. 2. Don't procrastinate. Believe in yourself. Say yourself you can do it. You will do it, and you are going to do it now, and now. 3. Revise. When you want to remember something you just heard, read, or thought about, repeat it out loud or write it down. That way, you reinforce the memory or connection. 4. Sleep well. A good night's sleep is vitally important to a healthy mind, especially memory. Get enough sleep and, if necessary, take naps. 5. Eat a balanced diet. The foods we eat can have a big impact on the structure and health of our brains. Eating a brain-boosting diet can support both short and long-term brain function. The brain is an energy-intensive organ, using around 20% of the body's calories, so it needs plenty of good fuel to maintain concentration throughout the day. The brain also requires certain nutrients to stay healthy. Omega-3 fatty acids, for example, help build and repair brain cells, and antioxidants reduce cellular stress and inflammation, which are linked to brain aging and neurodegenerative disorders. So eat healthy.